it doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Idol's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny, Jungkook's FF, and it is an Indian-Korean FF. Guys, remember all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. Santino, I'm going to marry you, my sweetheart. He said while he sat in utter shock. While Taeyang stood still, unable to digest it. He thought that Santino wants to kill Jungkook and he can marry you again. But he got to know that he got betrayed by him. Are you mad? I'm already married to Jungkook. Do you think it is easy? My husband will kill you. And you can't even show your face. You said with confidence, Smith, which made Santino shocked. And Taeyang is looking at you. He understood that how much you trust Jungkook, which made his heart break into pieces. Santino, oh sweetheart, you underestimated me. Do you think Jungkook scares me? He may have power, but so do I. And unlike him, I'm not afraid to use it. I can claim my things which are meant to be mine. And you are mine. He's just a stupid man who entered in your life, he said, while his overconfidence radiating off him, but he stood your ground refusing to let him intimidate you. Your eyes burned trust on Jungkook as you stared him down. Jungkook isn't powerful, he's smart, Santino. He will figure this out. And when he does, you will regret even thinking about pulling this stunt. And get ready to die soon. You made it with your own hands, you said while folding your hands, while he raised his hands in a mocking gesture. Santino, we'll see, sweetheart, but if you think your little husband can stop me, you are mistaken, maybe girl. I'm the most powerful mafia in Italy. I'm not your ordinary man. Taeyang, who had been silently observing the exchange, finally spoke, his voice laced with anger and disappointment. Then he turned towards Santino. Taeyang, is this why you dragged me into this? To betray me too? I thought we had a deal. You said we were in this together to take down Jungkook. Not this. Santino. Oh, Taeyang, you really thought I would cheer? I don't need you anymore. You were means to an end. Taeyang clenched his fist. His jaw tightened as he took a step forward. The betrayal cut deep down. What hurt more was seeing the trust you had in Jungkook, a trust he once had wished you have in him. Then, he said, and he can't find the right words, but you raised your hand, telling him to stop. You, say with them, whatever you have to say, I don't want to hear. You choose this path, and now you're dealing with the consequences. You're giving me the more chances to hate you more. Your words hit him like a punch to them, but he didn't argue. He knew he deserved it. Meanwhile, Santino's smile grew wider as he watched the tension between you and Taeyang. Santino, oh, trouble in paradise? Don't worry, sweetheart. Soon. None of this will matter. Just trust me. He said, which made you clench your fist in anger by his nasty words. You spoke while breathing your teeth. You have no idea what you have started. Santino, Jungkook isn't the kind to let something like this slide. He will kill you, torture you, make you die cruelly. You whispered while your jaw is still clenched, but he started laughing hardly. Only his voice is echoed in the four walls, which made you angry. Santino, enjoy time while you can imagine. Soon enough, you will realize that there is no escaping me. As he walked out, Taeyang stood, frozen, his mind racing with regret and anger. You sat on bed while rubbing your head in frustration. It's my mistake to let you go, so I wouldn't have faced this. How much lower can you stop there? Aren't you ashamed of your actions? First, you cheated on me, kidnapped me, then you left me, and then you shook your hands with it and you helped me to kidnap me. I hate myself falling in love with a stupid man like you. And now you are trying to make me worse when I'm already married to Django. Huh? Then, Ryan, I never wanted to things turn out this way. I didn't want to hurt you. I thought. He said while his voice is holding sadness and regret. He wants to correct the mistake what he have done to you. You heard enough of him, so you instantly cut off him sharply. You thought what I am? That you could destroy my life and then come back my life like nothing happened? Do you even hear yourself? You betrayed me over and over again and now you're trying to make me yours? Just have a little bit of shame in you. You said, with full of anger. He took a hesitant step forward, but you backed away, holding up your hand to stop him. You, don't come any closer. I don't want to hear your excuses or your twisted reasoning. You have already done enough damage and you can't undo it. It's better if you don't show me your face. There, Wyatt, I know I messed up. I know I don't deserve your forgiveness, but I still love you. I never stopped loving you. He said, while his voice is barely above his throat, holding a lot of emotion, hurt, sadness, regret. But now he pushed it away, and he started clapping your hands when he heard these words, while a mock chuckle left from your mouth. You, love? Don't you dare call this love. You, Taeyang, love doesn't kidnap, love doesn't betray, love doesn't team up with someone like Frankino to destroy the life of the person you claim to care about. Your words hit him like a slap and he looked away, shame evident on his face, but you didn't stop the fire in your voice growing stronger as you spoke. You, let me tell you something. You said sternly while the anger is still evident, which made him gulp, and he nodded his head to listen to your words. You, I love Jungkook. He's my husband, my partner, my everything. You will never come close to what he means to me. So, whatever delusion you are living in, let it go. Because even if you tear the whole world apart, I will never be yours again.
रख यकीन से बादल, आज हट जाएगा चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदे चल के आएगा।
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सो मुसाफिर हो, कहीं अगर तू रुका तो आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है। तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना।
इतना बता दूं तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूं तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने अब जो लगा हूँ ले, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं अपने तुझे का बता दे, चाहूं मैं। जन्म 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 साथ चलना यूं ही, कसम तुम्हें कसम आके मिलना।